Then the framers of the Constitution, they foresaw this and introduced Article 204 to the Constitution, the Equalization Fund, so that nobody will say that because the resources follow population, wamefinywa. Nobody will say that because there is Equalization Fund to take care of implementation of the where resources are following population. So, Baba, we are asking the people who are panicking to stop panicking. Nobody want to take something. And that is why that constitution is so good, because there's really balanced things, but you have not implemented it. Thank you very much.
I thank you very much indeed. I want to go to Honorable Mwago.
Constituency. Mine today, I think I'll start by thanking Baba for this space that we have even to express ourselves, for the dedication and the fight that we fought for this space. I think I'll tell a short story. When I was growing up, I used to ask my father a lot of questions, and he used to tell me, we exist because of Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. And I never knew why he would say that. Then he explained to me, he used to tell me, if the prices of goods go up in this country, it is only Raila Baba who goes to the streets and demonstrates, and things come back to normal. If the government decides to be impunitive, it's only Baba who goes to the streets and things shape up. So in his own explanation, that's what I got. And I'm very honored that I get to share into the spirit of Baba in fighting for the powerless, in fighting for justice for the people, and always being with the people selflessly. And I'm happy that in my political career, I'm in his team. And also thank him so much, because when Zakai was traversing this country, lying to the people, Baba said, I've known this guy since he was a young boy, and I know what he's saying is a lie. And I'm glad that I listened to Baba, because history will judge me from the right side of history. I did not follow the fools who are lying to us. So me, I'm very grateful today to be in this meeting, and I also want to thank Baba. Whoever you're saying this, these are your children. This is the seed you planted. The seed of people who are able to fight for people. In Mount Kenya, we never used to have so many leaders who would speak out against the government. This is your work. This is what you've grown in Mount Kenya. And we are proud that there are people who can come out and fight for the poor, fight for the people, regardless, even if they are losing their position, but they are ready to fight for the common mwananchi of Central. And this spirit will linger on forever and ever in Mount Kenya. For the selfish people, I'm very happy, and thank you. We are together, Santi.